So I believe these things.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashwini Deshmukh. I think after COVID life is better because people develop their skills and especially cooking skills, and I think study easy because technology grow up, and we join classes online, and we send our assignments, and we talk with family on काय बोलतात? video calls.
So you told that you learn cooking. Yeah. So do you know cooking? Can you explain how you learned that after COVID with the help of internet or anything?
Because there is so many recipes I learn. Before COVID, I was not cook. Only my mother cook. But after COVID, I learn so many recipes.
Good evening, friends. My name is Swam Gullane, and I am favored in before COVID 19 life. Um, I think before COVID 19 life is better than after COVID 19 life because before COVID 19 life is more peaceful and no stress in our mind and stressful life, and no one people can no one no one people can come in and depress. And after COVID-19 life is more people depressed because um they anytime stay in house, not not play outdoor games and other things. And she told more people studying online. Yes, but 80 to 90% people's no one can study online. Also, I am I'm not study online. I'm play only games online mode, and so that's it, my point.
So, as you told us, you means there are the virtual courses where you are not studying, but before COVID 19, we are not aware from that. In the coronas, in the pandemic year, we learn lots of things in the home. Means we search on the Google, what is this, or can you tell me about that? So we are searching our ability to search on the Google. So that's why we build up our knowledge about that. So after COVID, there will be means we know about the how we adaptive in the every situation. Means in the pandemic year, we know everyone has stuck their house because if we go throughout our house, so there will be no chances means to live, because everyone should be live in that one room isolation. So we know means we learn the everything on the Google, and we are talk with our family, so we have the less depressed. Means our family bond also become the strong after the corona or COVID-19. So that's my point.
Um, that's a good point that it has merits like ability of going through that AI, like this is effective for us basically, but it is controlling our mind. We are not doing any mind powers, like we are not pressuring to our mind. How will our mind work? Like only software developers are working with the AI, like they are learning something from that, but what we are learning, we are constantly using AIs. Like I think that basically if somebody wants to give the examination, They are also using chat gpts and some geminis also. I don't know about all the AI platforms, but they are using these things, but they are not using their mind powers.
Actually, the point is not that. Means they are totally not depend on AI. Means they take an idea from that. Means AI is not a correct thing. Means which who developed the AI? Do you know? The AI is developed by the people, this developer. So in that developer, they give the algorithm to them, in which we told them what is, this answer is this, so they can be give an answer to us. Means what we teach them, they give the answer about them. Means if we have any problem, we ask to chat gpt, that's the right thing. But they give only idea, we expand that idea in our general thing and use it. Means that's a plus point to our generations. Means we know our generations that are fully depends on AI, chat gpt, gemini, deepseek. That's a right thing, but we are taking idea from them, not fully depends.
We can learn new things with AI. Yeah.
So first of all, I have to highlight here her point before. That's the with the help of AI, the students or everyone can learn that knowledge, that can earn that knowledge. But don't you think that is the very wrong for the childrens? They don't use their minds and their thinking power is very low there. And after COVID, the people are very lazy about this there are things or that works. Before COVID, there have not that such things as chat gpt and that internet sources. That's why we can only depends on our minds and our thinking powers, and for that we can create some new iconic ideas, and we can also work on that. That is the very more productive things we can done before the COVID life. But after COVID life, there is no such things like that. We can only depends on that internet source. So that is a very long thing. For the children, they have don't develop their minds, and just like we develop our minds, they have don't develop that minds in that level. So that is the disadvantage of the COVID, I think. So yeah.
As you told, your point is very good, but we can't fully depend on AI. There are the many sources, like we can see the physical activity on the YouTube, Google. So we also do that. So we are not fully depend on the AI. Means you are said na, ki we are the childrens are depend on ChatGPT, ask them and don't use their mental power. So they also ask in social channels like YouTube or etc. Means how to do like that. Means I want to make my school project, so how to do that, that's the helping point to them. And they also do the physical activity also, I think is that.
I wanted to say that AI has not made us lazy, but it helped us. Our works are getting easier because of it. Not we are not getting lazy, but it helped us.
I have to counter that point, but for using that AI on that internet source, that YouTube and Google, we can lose our creative mind thinking. That's we can in before COVID life, there are all many business tycoons are created that in that time they can think about that minds, and we can not we don't have any digital sources in that time. We then for the knowledge we can read books and other knowledgeable things we can learn from the books. That reading power has we can lost for today. And I don't mean that that is the AI is not good or not, that is the better things. But you can if you can don't only depend on the AI and that internet and YouTube on that, we can don't create our mind or don't work on our ideas that we can do in before the COVID life. So that's my point.
In AI, we if beginner who know about anything they have to do, so AI will help them. Human create the technology for the work getting easy, made easy life. So if they are using technology for their easy life, so there is no problem. And today's generation is very creative than older generation. I believe that.
So if there is an advantage of AI, so there disadvantage is also there, as he told that. What is your opinion about the disadvantages?
Disadvantages like they are totally depend on the AI. First of all, just give the idea and intimate the idea like in per just
After the COVID-19, there are the more disadvantages, like means the most of the boys of engaged, they played the PUBG, Free Fire. They are totally mad for that.
Now it's banned.
Yes, now it's banned, but Free Fire is not banned yet. So they play the Free Fire also. Means they are fully addicted in that they do not want to lunch. Only they want mobile in front of them and play the Free Fire and PUBG game. So that the most disadvantages of COVID-19.
It became so.
So, I want to talk about some research I did before this session. So, we have a crazy impact on economic growth in our country after pandemic. Like before pandemic, it was still our country is in third position of economic development. But I think that before pandemic, it was 7% per annum. Like growth was 7%. Between corona, it was at the deflationary position, like it was -6%, and after corona, like right now, it is going through 6% to 6.5%. So comparatively, this is the drawback of this. After pandemic is one of the this thing is the drawback. Like economic development is getting slower than before pandemic.
Would you like to counter?
I think after COVID, life is easy because so many. So many resources we have, mobile and yeah,
How you use the devices for your good things?
yes.
What are the advantages? You have to tell them.
Advantages is I learned so many skills and my study.
I think before COVID, the people's was healthy, was very healthy. But after COVID, due to taking that doses, and that their immunity power become less.
I want to increase this point because I think that uh, COVID-19 is not still completely stopped till yet. The cases are still going on. People are more concerned about health. Like this was comparatively not concerned at all before COVID. Like diabetes and this kind of things. Like I don't know which some diabetes also. These were not concerning at all. But now, if something minor diseases happen to anybody, they get shocked. Like what happened to us? They get vaccinated. These are the things that are more concerning for them, and they get really traumatic. What happened to us?
So, like you said, that people have become more health conscious and not less healthy or something. And also after COVID period, India has more supplies, medical supplies than we had earlier. Government hospitals has more developed than before, and that's it.
As you said, the people is more conscious about health. Is it the, it is the right thing? Means people are more conscious about the health, their hygiene, their immunity power. For that boosting, they take and the proper diet from before after COVID. After vaccinated, they have some health issues. Means some of the people have some of the people after vaccinated, some of the people have sick, means they have some what, yes, fever, right. Some of the people have a fever, and they are their immunity power is very low after they vaccinated. So for building their immunity power, they take and the proper diet for that, and do exercise every day, and do the means communication well between their families and relationship friends.
As Kajal told that after the doses of vaccination, people get more suffering to their health issues, other health problems. So, what is your point on her?
Yes, as her point is right. Means after vaccinated, people are suffering from various diseases, like the Anjali told about the diabetes. Yes, that is also in the list of that diseases, and there will be higher progress in the cancer. Means most of the people have cancer, bone cancer, heart cancer.
Do you think this is because of vaccination?
This is not vaccinated, but that will be some amount in the vaccine because of that vaccine. Means some in most of the people's means like me, they have low immunity power, so they can get suffer in any diseases.
Because of that vaccine.
Not totally on that vaccine, but some of the percentage, like 20 percentage, because they include some acid in that vaccine to die that coronavirus. So that is the dangerous to our health.
Let me tell you guys, I think it's a myth. Most of the doctors also cleared that it is very safe thing, vaccine. Yeah, want to say?
Okay, so I want to talk about the people, like the patients who had overcome the disease of corona. I had also overcome it by my home quarantine. I got home quarantine, and so I think after pandemic, there are still the issues like corona, like the patients from because of that patients, like after they suffered from COVID, like I still have breathing problem after COVID. I didn't have this breathing problems before COVID. Anybody want to say this point, like at some point?
I have to increase that topics. I think before Corona, sorry, after Corona, the people are um, very desperate about their um, life or that all things, and very feared about the going to outside, and they are getting very um, sorry. Okay. So after Corona, the peoples are getting very feared about that. If I go to outside, we can get a virus and that all things. They can't don't increase our what I say about sorry.
You want to say that we are more concerned about if we go outside and
They
we
can
will got
fear.
yes, that fear that we got afraid about that thing.
Yeah.
Like if we go outside and we can get
Coronavirus.
You have
And
to
they can
connect
die.
with all the students. Yes. Yeah. Not only him.
Okay.
You were talking to him. She said, talk to
Connect
him.
with others.
Yes, yes. I didn't get his point, so that's why I was.
Would you like to counter?
He was saying about fear. That's not fear, that's awareness, and it's a good point because earlier there were many patients of malaria and all things. People were not knowing about hygiene. After COVID, they knew about diseases like this and how to counter it, how to avoid this, and how to overcome the situations.
Kajal?
You have to speak.
You have to speak.
Just try with one of just pass.
I think after COVID, people are very health conscious. Um, they are worried about their diet. They are doing exercise. I think I see in gym people are very passionate about workouts and adding their daily life. I think after COVID, people are very health conscious. As he told, people are, I think, more immunity and they are mentally ready to tackle any situation like COVID-19.
The active participation of every student is important, guys. Please take a part in this debate. You have to speak anything.
You have to pass the mic.
Do you want to speak?
I don't have.
So for that, sorry. Yes, you can write. That is the after COVID life. The people are very more careful about their lives and that all things. But some people are very getting fear about that life, and they don't do that things they do when they do after before the corona. There are some adventures and that all journeys they can do before corona. Very we can don't have the quarantine things and that restrictions on that things. We can go easily whenever you want to go, and you have to don't that all um the restrictions on that things don't touch on that all things. But after corona, that's very increase that all things. So before that, because of that, the people are very um scared to travel also, and getting a very subconscious mindly that affects on that older generations. I told about older generations. They are very subconsciously hurt about that all. They can damage that all things.
So I want to add one point. After COVID-19, in the healthcare sector, they are more grown up because of because of that patients, and in the healthcare sector like a hospital, they are more conscious about the cleanliness. Means every hospitals in now are very clean, and they are take a more concern about the cleanliness hygiene. And in the big hospital, there should be required the mask on our face because of for the do not fall on the infected virus to the other people. Means every patient has come with their family member, and they are very well health. But due to that infected virus, they also have and the health issues. Actually, I don't know to miss. Okay, so my point is that the healthcare sector is also grown up after COVID.
He told about adventures and travel. So, what is your counterpoint?
I don't agree with that because I have never heard of that point that people are scared now for traveling to other cities because of COVID or other diseases. And if they are scared, they might know something like some diseases spreading there, and it is a good point that they are not going there. they'll not caught by the disease and they'll not be in danger.
So I don't have any point to extend. This thing is right actually. So I will talk about the unemployment level after COVID 19. So, actually, after COVID 19, the technology, like the digitalization, is increased in the peak level. Don't you think? Right. So, the unemployment level is increased that much. That's why the economic growth is decreasing, because AI is doing the work of the people, and there is no manpower because of AI. What about that?
The growth is not decreased, but it has slowed down, and but it's not a negative point. Like before, we didn't hit a 4 trillion dollars economy, but now we have it, and we'll slowly shift. We will boost our uh, uh, growth of economy, and it will. I don't think it will be decreased anymore. It will increase.
She wants to say that AI is replacing jobs.
Employment.
Yeah. What's your point?
I don't have.
Actually, AI is not replacing the our AI is not replacing our employment. AI is helping us not to be and part of unemployment.
Now the new job role is also introduced in field of AI, like AIG. Yeah, have you heard about AIG? Yeah, artificial intelligence journalist. Yeah.
Okay, there are increasing growth, but some AI is forming people, like public service is getting slower down like before than before, because there were jobs like software developing, and also I don't have any knowledge about that, but I think that people are getting more unemployed because of AI, because our India is in first ranking of population. There are two, like people are getting, like population is in the highest peak, but now uh, the how the population increases, the employment level decreases, right? So this is the thing, and AI is getting stronger day by day. They are getting public work, okay, they are helping people, this is the good thing, but uh, some people are also fully dependent on AI.
Actually, the some people are fully dependent on AI. This is right, but AI is not give the correct answer, and I also prove this. Means if I ask three or more times to AI, only one person they give me the different answer because of that algorithm. Means we couldn't fully depend on that because they are always give the wrong answer to us.
But what about the we are not having any pressure in our minds that we have to solve this question. If we are done with that, we go through our mobile phones and we search that thing. We are not having any critical thinking.
This is the part of our laziness. So that is
That's the point, that laziness is getting too high after pandemic.
yes. I also agree with this your point, but this is our laziness. Laziness. If you continue.
So I believe after COVID-19, India introduced UPI. UPI like app, they give the job of millions of people like Swiggy and Zomato. And after COVID-19, I think job was increasing, job opportunity was increasing, not decreasing.
You told that AI is replacing a job. AI is taking employment, right? But company wants the people who give the profit, who make profits for their company. What if the employees are not upskilling their? So
How would they upskill their skills if AI is getting powerful?
So earlier there was also invention of machines, and you as you said that AI is getting grown, people are losing job. Also earlier there was when machine was invented, there was unemployment. So I want to say that it's a part of development. Unemployment, there's no situation that a country doesn't have does do have 0% unemployment. There will be unemployment. There's no country which has unemployment. It's a part of development.
Depends on the person's knowledge.
Okay. Can you explain that employment, that point you have you recently told about? Yeah. Can you explain that? How can they increase and how can they benefit about the non technical field background students and that all degree holders? They are searching for a job. How can they find that?
I can say that if a company is using AI and minimum employees, so the employees will get more salary, because now company is making more profit and can has power to distribute more salary.
I have to counter that. Uh, we are talking about the AI, and recently you told the AI also getting in the converting the robots. If in the future the AI convert in the robots, then how can you employ by the humans? They are all the go to the road now. How can they employment? How can they get the implementation about that?
To handle that AI robot, they also need the humans. So for building that, we need an employees. So we can prefer the courses like that. That is the plus point of that.
There are too many employees. There are too many employees, but there are these things like artificial intelligence. That's why they are unemployed. That's not there is no fault of people. They are searching for job from too many years, but they are still unemployed.
Yes, you are right. Miss, I also searching for the job, but in the wrong direction. So today's scope is in the artificial intelligence. So if the people go in the artificial intelligence direction, the people get a job. We have to do courses like AI. There are many courses are available. If yes, so we are masters in that. So why we are unemployed? We have a job.
But that job rate is very low, na? Because they have the masters on that creators of that AI generated that people. They have already that much peoples to handle that all things. So how can the new generation get the job in that field? They have no career option for in that.
I would like to increase this point. They will get to like IT technology will get the employees like the software developers, like whoever makes the AI and all, increasing that things. But what about other employments? Other employees like whoever are doing businesses, jobs. They are also taking rule over the country. AI is really too dangerous that they are getting too powerful that they are fully dominating the public and taking job, and we are getting unemployed.
Can you explain me in the business how AI affect? Actually, I have a question on it.
Uh,
That's positive effect on business.
Yes.
yes, I think there might be a positive effect, but also negative effect.
So that's what she's asking. What's the
Yes.
I don't remember, but I think I okay, give to them.
AI managing the that's time in the corona in business. They manage they managing count money and calculate more things, and they manage they manage they manage work like humans. And AI is
Actually,
First of all, you want to job, you have to build the skills for that job. If any company hire you, they see you the if you make profit for the company, so you have to work hard on yourself and make your skill for that company, so you get the job.
There are too many types of unemployment, types like of unemployment, like seasonal, cyclical.
Explain the types.
Seasonal unemployment is basically particular season wise. If you are having a business like raincoats and what we say sweater, okay, these things, they are particularly built for the seasons. This is the kind of that unemployment things.
was also before
Yes, I know. I am not talking about that type. They have too many types. I don't know. I don't remember every type. But there are things that we are too lazy about, because of this. People are having skill, but they don't get opportunity because AI is replacing their skills.
So, in this, you are questioning the development. There will be a time when there 100% things will be done by AI. I think whichever civilization we are living in, in next civilization, we will have 100% work done by AI. So indirectly, you're all questioning about on development and nothing.
Yeah, yeah. So, the you told about the AI that increasing about the societies and that job business. Yeah.
Shifting our point, life before corona.
No. Yeah.
Talking about the before Corona things.
Yes,
We have to talk about that.
before corona.
Yeah.
It is
So.
AI.
Only talking about the after
We are
Corona.
talking about AI.
You can say.
Yeah, exactly. The topic goes in the wrong direction.
I think before Corona, people were uh, interacting with each other. But after Corona, due to online work from home or online courses,
Okay,
due,
continue.
Just don't disturb.
Interrupt.
due to online courses and work from home, our people not interacting with each other.
Are you feeling disconnected with your friends and family?
No, but in like work from home, in work from home, people doing their jobs by at home and not going to company and not interacting with each other.
You have to interact with your colleagues in online meetings. You have to build communication skills. So, what is your point here?
I want to counter that point that
Don't counter, just add.
okay, I add that point. Okay, so what is basically the thing, online mode is good. Actually, it was before pandemic also, but this is getting too far. People are missing that things, like public gatherings and all. The emotions are not uh, they can't have any interactions between. There is too many differences between social media and actual meeting. She's saying that.
Yeah. Who's gonna counter? Yeah, Ashwini.
I think after Corona, many people start their business from beginning. They didn't give up. I think after Corona, people's thinking power is increased and develop their skills.
How?
Uh,
Just explain the process.
so- so-
Just tell the things clear and precisely that we will also understand and we will go through that points and we will also think about that.
I want to elaborate in that. In the after the COVID, the people are learn more and more things like cooking. She already mentioned, and in yes, dancing,
Singing.
yoga, singing. That all things are learn during that COVID time. And we know the during COVID, the most of the girls are learning about that baking the cake. They are most in the trend, means all girls should know about how to make a cake. Yes, how to bake a cake. The most she want to explain that point.
Okay, that's a good point that they are learning new skills. But what about the people, like the small children who are making reels after Corona? It was not at that kind of amount before Corona, but now this is getting ridiculous day by day.
Children's got a chance to earn, like a big YouTuber, a small kid. She's 7 or 5, I think. He earns in millions of dollars, or I think a billion.
What was the content?
The toy content, toy, the toy, the baby plays with.
What about the transition reels and that?
Of children, they got chance to uh, they got chance to express how they got talent. It's not only transition; it's also edit.
What? Edit?
Yeah.
Yes,
Editing.
that lip sync thing.
Transition not only. Have you
Yes,
seen the, like they
but
who like
half
this is
more of the social media.
that comes in editing. You have to change on the perfect timing.
Okay, so social media is almost half of the social media is going through wrong things. I saw some two early kind of children. They are doing lip sync thing and doing transition
That's
videos.
not a bad thing. How is that a bad habit or thing?
You think it's a good thing?
How
Why?
I'm thinking how it's a bad thing. Explain me in that way. How
You
it's a.
should explain that what is.
I'm not saying it's a good thing, but how it's a bad thing.
We think that that is a bad thing because they are doing something else. Unless they are not learning, by the way, they are not educating themselves. They are doing, I don't know. How do you think that this is good thing? You can explain.
They got chance to earn. They can come in acting. Yeah, they can have some people to watch them, watch their talent. That's not a small thing. Lip sync is also not a small thing. It needs timing, also editing.
Yes, you're right. The children are getting some platforms and that things, but don't you think that childrens are getting more less the knowledge about the life, about the world? They have to learn first that. They have to learn first how to increase their habits and that new habits and their personalities and their techniques that we can learn from the schools. They don't experience that older school's life. Don't you think about that?
You meant to say that children are not going to school and making reel at home, 24 hours. He said that children are not going experiencing school things and just that. So you are telling that children are not going to school and just making reel. Yeah, that's what you are saying.
I don't mean that. I won't say that the children don't get that knowledge, that level knowledge, and about the knowledge.
Responsibility of parents.
I also think that teachers are getting less effective than early, before pandemic. Like they are also, if they don't find anything, they are using. So what? Why you say that? So do you think that this is a good thing? Like whenever they are, it is their duty. Yes, technology is the basic thing after pandemic, which is a good thing also and also a bad thing.
Actually, this is the good thing. Means in the schooling, the teacher are get an idea from that AI, and and on to do the practically from the students. Which there is and lots of games they can play it from there, just like a mind game, and then physical activities they do in the school also.
What are they hired for? What is their duty? Actually, they are hired for teaching basically. Why are they using mobile phones for that thing? We can also do that.
Earlier, also, there were teachers who were not interested in teaching and just receiving their salary. Earlier, before COVID, there are many schools there where teachers are not teaching. Now they got chance to get information from AI and now they are teaching. It's a plus point.
Is it really a plus point? Yes. But they are getting lazier day by day. They have a point. They got a point that okay, this is helping us. They are learning from that. And I personally believe it was my personal experience. Um, Whenever a teacher is getting any what we can say, huh? No, no. Getting any problems basically, they she or he, whatever it is, she just scroll the phone and learn from that, and then only she teaches us.
Earlier, there was a book who they used to find in books and give us answer. That's only change that is there.
They're humans.
Okay, so you told about the AI that helps to teaching the teachers implementation. If we can see that in a different way, the students also learn from the AI, and they have also increased their knowledge. Yeah, but that you don't think that is the very wrong side. The teacher have the more knowledge about that things compared to students. They have to come for teaching the students, not learn from the students. Yeah.
Now I personally think that we don't need teachers. We have this technology. Yeah. Okay.
English can also be taught by AI. If you want, you can.
Only about English. We have too many subjects.
Yeah, it all can be taught by an AI. You can't underestimate the AI.
So what about the experience things? You don't get the experience about the internet and and that ChatGPT. You get only the knowledge, not experience, and experience is very big learning compared to theoretical things.
This is how unemployment works. Teachers are getting unemployment. Teachers are getting unemployed. You said that we can be depend on this. So how? So teachers' profession should be banned now.
So they hire robots for that.
No. Means we the student are learning from that AI, but the student have that no, not like that.
You are talking about experience. If students wants an experience, will get experience by taking knowledge and doing practically same outside. It depends on the person.
Let her complete her point. Don't interrupt to anyone else.
Yes, I'm speaking about. Okay, hold. I need a time.
Yeah.
ऐसे नहीं होता.
Yes. Okay, I'm talking about. You said the student are learning from the AI, but they don't have the much knowledge about that. They are reading up from there, but they can't understand. So for that purpose, they need a teacher. Yes. So there is a teacher to teach them. So what means? There will be the teacher that teach the from A to Z. Means when the student is in the nursery class, they don't know about that AI. They don't have some reading skill also. They means they can't read. They are starting from A to Z. After that they will reading now. So for that they need a teacher. So in the every class means when I am in the first standard, so I don't know about what is the table. I know only the two table. So what's the letter in the AI I teach 3 6 9 whatever in the that series. I just see that, but I can't understand how to learn that thing. So for that purpose, we need a teacher.
So the debate was very interesting. All yeah, in middle the debate was shifted to other topics. All students are very active in this debate. The debate was very interesting. We discussed about healthcare, economics, AI. The AI was the main topic, teaching and everything. So it's time to end this debate because of the time reasons. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, everyone.